welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara Delmonica and I'm so excited to chat about today's product video. If you are joining me as a Curls Monthly subscriber, an extra warm welcome to you. The Jessicurl Deep Conditioning Treatment is inside of November 2023's Curls Monthly mailer. So I'm really excited for you guys to try this product out. If you're not a Curls Monthly subscriber and you're just wondering about this product, I got you as well. If you're interested in Curls Monthly, that is my curly hair subscription service where each month we send 5+ of my favorite curly hair products directly to your doorstep. So it's a great way to try things that you've never tried before. The subscription is open to anyone in the US. If you're not in the US, we do have other options as well for you. So make sure you check that out. I will link the website below. But on today's video, we're going to be chatting about, like I said, the Jessicurl Deep Conditioning Treatment. I'm also going to be getting into butters. Butters are a very common ingredient that are inside a lot of products, and they can do a lot of cool things for your hair. So I'm excited to chat through them, who they're for, who they're not for, etc. So just some fast facts about this product so you can get to know them. First of all, this is the first time Jessicurl has ever been inside of Curls Monthly, which is so exciting. This is a brand that is so loved by like the curl influencer community. So it's a really big deal, honestly, that they're inside, and it's a great brand with great integrity and they put great things into their products. Also, bonus points that this is fragrance free. I know a lot of people ask for fragrance free options. This product, and I'm pretty sure every single product on the Jessicurl website, they have options of fragrance free, or you can actually choose a fragrance to put in it. So I think that that's fun if you prefer fragrances, etc., etc. So we'd love to see that. So this treatment is going to be intense moisturizing for dry hair. It's extremely moisturizing and will actually kind of weigh your hair down. And I'm saying that, maybe you think I'm saying that as like a negative thing. A lot of people want that. A lot of people are looking for that. So we have another deep conditioning treatment inside of this month's Curls Monthly, which you can watch that video as well. That's a very, very intense deep treatment, but it's not going to weigh your hair down. This one is an intense deep treatment. It's an intense moisture treatment, and it will weigh your hair down. And there's a time and place for that. Some people prefer that. They prefer a more defined curl. They don't want the extra fluff. They want their curls to be like kind of perfectly defined curls. They don't want the volume. They don't want the frizz. This is going to get you there. Now, for some people, it won't totally weigh their hair down. Like if you have extremely coarse, thick hair, nothing will really, but it will help you get more defined and less volume. So I say that because for a lot of people, they're looking for that. You'd be surprised. So I think that that is like such a fun thing. I also like to use products like this because when you have the type of hair I have, which if you're watching this, maybe you have, my hair is sort of an in-between. Like I definitely consider my hair curly, but with the right products and the right technique, I actually can make it pretty wavy just by kind of changing it up. So this is the type of product I would use on a day that maybe I wanted to like have a more beachy wave look and a little bit less ringlet look. I would reach for something like this. But this moisture mask truly has it all. It's gonna help with growth. It has intense hydration, vitamins, you name it. It is completely protein free. It's not going to build up, so it will easily wash out. And it's a long, intense mask. This is like your everything shower mask because it does need 30 to 60 minutes to sit into your hair, which there is certainly a time and place for that. Speaking of which, I think it's going to be best for probably coarse hair, thick hair, dry hair, and then maybe people who want to be a little bit careful of this are just super fine, super low density hair. I think that you can still use this product. I would just be a little bit cognizant of knowing what it does to you. And then same with like maybe more wavier hair types that are trying to enhance their curl. This might make your hair a little bit weighed down. But if you experience frizz, it's gonna be everything for you. And the way that you're going to use this product is after you shampoo your hair, you're going to use this product in place of your conditioner. You're going to place it on your hair, starting at your ends of your hair and working your way to the top. You never want to place conditioner really directly on your roots. That's how a lot of like scalp issues can happen because your pores get clogged. If it touches your scalp and roots, that's okay, but you're really focusing it more on your mids and your ends, and then you can bring a little bit up to the top. From there, this is when you're going to detangle your hair. So you only really want to be detangling or brushing your hair in the shower when it's wet. So this is when you can take a wide tooth comb, a detangling brush, or even just your fingers and very gently work the product through your hair while simultaneously detangling the knots out of it. You definitely want to go slow. You definitely want to work at the bottom and go to the top. That's going to really help you with breakage, which then helps with like length and longevity and things like that. So then you want to keep it on your hair for 30 to 60 minutes. And for an even more intense hydration system, you can actually apply a heated cap to your hair. So a heated cap, what that's going to do is it's going to help your cuticles stay open for longer. And what that's going to do is it's going to help the ingredients seep in deeper into your hair. So a lot of times people can buy like on Amazon. I definitely recommend, I'll make sure I put one in the caption below, but like a heated mask, if you're looking for really even more intense moisture, you usually can just throw it in the microwave for like 30 seconds to a minute. Obviously read the directions on that, but then it works like a bonnet. You just put it right over your hair, and that's what you keep on as this type of a mask would soak through. Again, it's optional, but it will just intensify the mask that much more. Now, looking at these magical ingredients inside of here, first up we have water, and then we have cetearyl alcohol. Most products that I love the most have cetearyl alcohol at the second ingredient. I always find that's in there, but cetearyl alcohol is a moisturizing agent. It does not actually moisturize your hair on its own, but this type of alcohol does the opposite of a drying alcohol, which it actually will pull moisture into your hair. Then next up we have shea butter, and that is the second ingredient, which you know is going to make this product juicy AF. I'm gonna get into shea butter a little bit more throughout the course of this video because we're gonna talk about a lot about that later, but that is the second ingredient. Then we have avocado oil, which has essential fatty acids and vitamins inside. It's just going to help moisturize and repair your dry hair. Then we have cocoa butter, which is another butter we're gonna be talking about later. Then we have benzotronium methosulfate. That is a great detangling agent, and it's really going to allow your hair to become like sleek and really help with like glidability of things. We have aloe vera leaf juice powder, which is such a fantastic moisturizing agent. Horsetail extract, which improves the circulation of your blood, which then improves the circulation of hair growth. We have peppermint leaf extract, which stimulates the scalp and produces and promotes hair growth. Rosemary leaf extract, which is like the viral ingredient right now for making your hair grow. Again, growth, growth, growth. Then we have bay leaf laurel extract, hair growth. Basil leaf extract, hair growth. Nettle leaf extract, hair growth. They really want the hair growth here. Then we have burdock root extract. That was a new one for me. And that's going to help soothe irritated scalps and also helps with hair growth. Then we have oregano leaf extract, which I've never seen inside of a product before. And that just improves your overall hair quality, making it like shinier and smoother. Lemongrass extract helps strengthen hair follicles. Thyme leaf extract helps promote hair growth, and sage leaf extract aids the regeneration of new hair follicles. So this mask truly has it all. Now, as promised, we need to chat about butters. This specific product contains high, heavy amounts of shea butter and cocoa butter. Those are two of, I can't name actually, a more moisturizing ingredient, a more hydrating ingredient that exists really. These ingredients are so thick, so juicy, and ideal for creating thicker curl families, ideal for decreasing volume and increasing definition. And they're really going to just overall help your hair become more juicy. Shea butter specifically is a fat derived from the nuts of a shea tree. And it's a very popular ingredient inside of like skincare products, hair care products, thanks to its hydrating properties. It does a lot of things. Number one, and most famously, it moisturizes. It seals cuticles to lock in moisture and keeps hair maintaining moisturized. It also revitalizes because it's naturally filled with vitamins A and E, and it can reduce dryness and prevent split ends. It's also going to reduce inflammation and irritation. Just like how you can put like shea butter on your skin to moisturize it, you can do the same thing for your scalp. So that's going to have those same great effects with shea butter. Shea butter can actually work like a sunscreen. It doesn't have SPF in it, but it does actually help your hair prevent from getting heat damage from the sun. Cocoa seed butter, on the other hand, is extracted from cocoa beans. I always think of that scene from like the Willy Wonka with Johnny Depp, where he like goes into like the forest and like crops the cocoa beans. That always is what goes through my head. But this ingredient has a very like velvety texture, which has such a great use in a lot of cosmetic products. Number one, it's a moisturizer. It's super rich in fatty acids, which are easily absorbed into the hair and help heal hair strands and keep them moisturized while also preventing dryness. Cocoa seed butter also reduces inflammation. It accelerates the regeneration process of skin cells and heals the skin and the hair from the inside out. And it's also a great antioxidant. Cocoa butter is known to prevent the side effects of hair loss. So butters do a lot of things for your hair, and they're so fantastic, but of course they are not for everyone all the time. Again, fine hair needs to just be like weary that they exist. I think if you're weary that they exist and you know they exist, then you'll be totally fine to use them, but proceed with caution. And thicker hair, throw those bad boys on. You probably want as much butter as you possibly can get. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you at all, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel, and I'll see you next time.